Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn on dark mode on the Snapchat. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then you will see setting options. Click on it and then you will see app appearance option. Click on it and you can see three option here: always light, always dark, custom app theme. So we want to turn on dark mode on the Snapchat, so I will click on dark and then click on restart now. So in this way you can see my dark mode on the Snapchat is on. So in this way you can change or so in this way you can turn on dark mode. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.